Hi and welcome. I'm back now and I'm gonna open more booster packs today. I'm gonna open another Cresselia special edition. Well, let's get started. Well, first we have this really nice Cresselia. I really like this one. It's nice artwork and this is a really nice card. And then we get this coin. It's kind of nice too. Well, I'm gonna start opening with the Diamond and Pearl Mysterious Treasures. Hope that we can get something rare. It's always nice. Spiel, Magby, Krogan, Execute, Apom, Shingling, Quilava, it's kinda nice, Pupitar, Ninetales, and Crobat, non-holo, but still a nice Crobat still. Next pack is Platinum Arceus. Shinx, Omanite, Cherubi, Makuhita, Pikachu, Wormadam, Pelipper, Bronzor, and an Arceus. Yeah, nice. Really, I wanted another Arceus. And then we got this picture. It's kind of cute. Oh, an Arceus. Real nice. I don't have this one. So, this is actually real nice Arceus in my collection. So, we have one more Arceus pack to open and see if we can get something cool there. Helix Fossil, Omanite, Bronzor, Gulpin, Trico, Pelipper, Bronzor, Professor Oak's Visit, Shelgon, reverse, and a Golem. well, it was kind of nice. We see you next time when I'm gonna open more booster packs, and hopefully I'll get some more rare cards then. See ya.